This week's spring-like weather deserves a spring-like recipe, and these lemon ricotta cookies, they're exactly what the moment calls for. We're talking soft, citrusy, and so good. Elena Davis here sharing her yummy recipe, and I had a little glimpse of it on your Instagram, and you are loving, this is like a family tradition?
Yes, and people love it. So I think my love for it has made it spread everywhere and people are making it, loving it. These cookies they spell spring. Like they're just so bright and fresh and zesty. We make them all year. So it's not like it's just a spring thing.
You can't go wrong any month of the year. You're good with it.
Yeah. So people are loving it. Let's get into it.
Yeah, so ricotta, the cheese in a cookie, you have to explain.
Yes.
Which one do you like to use?
To me, being Italian, this is not weird, but you know, you're like cheese, but just think of it kind of like as cream cheese. We use, in America, we use cream cheese a lot in desserts. That's kind of how you want to look at it with the ricotta cheese. So it's
ricotta.
Ricotta.
Oh man,
yes,
I'm
ricotta.
sold then.
You gotta roll your R's.
Ricotta.
Yeah, so you want to make sure it's a good whole milk, whole fat ricotta cheese. Same with the butter. You want to watch the butter content on these cookies. If it is too high, like an Irish butter, sometimes it will make the cookies go flat.
Oh,
so I've had a few comments, my cookies went flat. What butter did you use? That good Irish butter. And it's like, seems counterintuitive because I usually love that butter and always use that butter. But you want to use one with a little less butter fat and it holds its shape a little bit more. If not, add like a tablespoon more of flour to hold the shape. But anyway, so we are now adding that fresh, bright white ricotta cheese. And we're going to mix it in. I have already mixed in the butter. I've creamed the butter and the sugar together. Creaming the butter and the sugar is essential. You want to make sure to cream it just like I had it, and that honestly takes like 5 minutes.
That's it. So what do people get wrong, have you noticed then?
So one thing that can make your cookies go flat, number one, like I said, is the butter content. And the other one is not creaming your butter and sugar enough and then creaming again with the eggs. That butter, the sugar, it needs to melt in with the butter and the sugar. So that's huge. Then we're gonna hit this with a whole bunch of fresh lemon zest.
Zest it up, huh?
Yes, look at that. It's just so pretty. And it, you know, you just, as soon as that lemony smell, you're just like, okay, spring has
brings
come.
Back all the feels,
I don't care what the weather is really like outside, that we're still freezing at nights, but look at that fresh. And then I'm just gonna cut this and we're gonna use the lemon juice. And I like to do lemon juice like this a lot of the time.
Look at that.
Just because it's just so easy and it catches all the seeds like for sure.
That's the way to do it then, huh?
So I like to just do that, and then any seeds that do get in there, you can catch them really easily rather than
I love all that. While you're finishing that up there, I know the big thing is it's all about the glaze too, right?
Yes.
Wow, walk us through that.
So after we add the dry ingredients in here and the yummy lemon and the zest, we're just gonna dump that cookie right in there.
Perfection.
And it is, oh my gosh.
The gooiness. So I'm getting the cheese effect now in the cookie and the dough.
So they're just soft and pillowy and lemony with that glazed zest. It's so good.
You've mastered it.
I know. You're going to have a bite.
Am I? Okay, good. I was waiting for that. That is so good. That is really tasty. Citrusy. Where can we find more? Where can we follow you for the recipe?
Everything on cucinabyelena.com or on my Instagram. I'm there every day. Send me a message. I cannot wait to hear from you. I love this community and I love cooking for all of you.
Well, it's such a gift, so thank you for sharing your gift with us.
You're so welcome. Enjoy these bright and lemon cookies.
Delicious.